Have you ever tried to challenge an administrative decision, a local council or a government department, only to feel like you were shouting into an empty bureaucratic void? Have you noticed how they use dense, complex language specifically designed to make you feel powerless and give up? Well, for the last year and a half, I've been quietly working on a solution to change that dynamic entirely. Since about January 2024, my focus has been entirely on building specialised AI agents. Not generic chatbots, but highly engineered systems. And today, the waitlist for our platform, EquityFlow, is officially open. Now, you might be thinking, can't I just use ChatGPT or Grok for this? The short answer is no. Generic AI models are trained to please everyone. They are built on general consensus. If you ask a standard AI about government overreach, it will default to telling you that Parliament is absolutely sovereign, leaving you with nowhere to turn. It acts as an extension of the system. EquityFlow is entirely different. I have spent hundreds of hours training our core agent, KC, on the strict mechanics of the Constitutional Trust framework and orthodox equity. KC does not guess, and KC does not compromise. It operates under a fundamental truth of the rule of law. You are the lawful, absolute and final beneficiary, a term I have coined that you are going to hear a lot from now on. Public office holders are trustees who owe you strict fiduciary duties. KC is engineered to stand firmly on the side of the beneficiary at all times. So we didn't just upload documents to an AI wrapper. I've spent months teaching this system the technical mechanics of administrative arguments, how to identify procedural flaws, how to build unshakable positions based on orthodox law, and how to methodically dismantle bureaucratic stonewalling. It gives you the precise structured reasoning you need to level the playing field. So we are moving out of the development pipeline and preparing to open the doors. Because we are committed to maintaining extreme processing speed and dedicated support for our early users, spaces on our closed beta are strictly limited. If you are ready to stop guessing and start using structured, specialised technology to assert your position, join the waitlist today. Click the link below, secure your spot, and let's restore the balance together.